In today's video, I will show you how to convert an image into a text PDF file using a completely free online tool called Image to Text. I've shared the link to the website in the description, so make sure to check it out. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the website using the link, and once you are there, click on the browse button. Now select the image or images from your device that you want to convert. After selecting your image, click on the convert button. Now just wait few seconds. The website will automatically extract all the text from the image. Once it's done, you will see your extracted text ready to copy. Now let's turn that text into a PDF file. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now copy the extracted text from that website and paste it into a new Word document. You can edit or format the text however you like. Change the font size or alignment if you need it. Once everything looks good, click on File, then Save As. Click Browse and choose where you want to save your file. Under Save As type, select PDF. From the drop-down menu, give your file a name and hit Save. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.